Good morning, family. This is Linda. I hope you've been having a wonderful day. I hope to see you tonight on the live at 7 p.m. But today, family, I'd like to talk to you all about me and my old school way of gardening. Yeah, I've heard a lot of people say I grow old school. And let me tell you, I do. But one thing is for sure, we eating over here, y'all. We eating. So sit back, relax. Let's get into this video. So family, the first seeds I'm dropping today is watermelons. Yeah, baby. I got watermelons ready to ride. Yes, I'm dropping red flesh, yellow flesh, and orange flesh watermelons. Also, cantaloupes. I have some orange flesh honeydew melons. Also, the green honeydew melon. My grandkids absolutely love it, and I love it when they are ready and I can hear them in my garden. Yeah. But let me talk to you all about this old school gardening that I do over here. Some people may think it's a bad thing, and I'm not up to par with what's going on in the world. I know exactly what's going on in the world. And another thing I know is that I'm eating over here, and if it ain't broke, baby, I'm not trying to fix anything to appease the world. Okay? So, one question was asked, and they say, Miss Linda, when you direct sow, when I direct sow, they said their seeds move all over the place. So the first thing I will tell you is to make sure that your soil is moist. Wet down your soil really good before you direct sow, and that way your seeds will not move. They will not go all over the place. And when you water, if you're hand watering, put your nozzle on the sprinkler and not the jet. Okay, so that's how you keep your seeds in place. Moisten your soil before you drop your seeds and use your sprinkler. Okay, family? This old school woman talking. So, family, this is the very first monarch butterfly I've seen in my garden this season. She's on my onion flowers. Yeah. I am excited because I did drop more milkweed in the wild part of the garden. So I'm excited to see her. And she tried to get on me. So cool. So this is another cucumber I wanted to drop. Wait a minute. Okay. This is another cucumber I wanted to drop. This is the China Jade. I didn't drop her yesterday, so I'm going to drop her now. Oh, yeah. That's them, y'all. I grew them before, twice, and I love them. And if you go to the store and you see these, and you will see these, they are wrapped in plastic, and they are expensive, but we gonna grow them, y'all. Yeah. So this is a Portuguese tomato, and I have about four other tomatoes that was sent to me by a friend of mine here. The name of his channel is CB's Greenhouse and Garden. We have been and his wife is Renee. They have a cat they call the tiger or something like that. Yeah, but anyway, CB Greenhouse and Garden and I have been friends for many years. Now, I have been over to their channel and everything is taken down. Everything has been taken down on his channel. Now, I do know that he had been very ill. Yeah, he's been very ill. But I don't know, what has happened, but these tomatoes I'm going to drop in my tomato bed. And I pray that they are well. I pray. But anyway, family, this is a tomato I'm going to drop for CB's greenhouse and garden. Yeah. So I went over to the Dollar Tree. I bought some lights. Now I bought 12. I'm just taking all the tags off, flipping the stickers inside and out, and pulling the tags. So I have them all around my trees. There's 4 more left I got to do. And I bought this cool self-watering container here. I like it, y'all. It's really, really nice. And I'm gonna put my little curry tree in this pot. It's really nice size. There we go. Yeah. So this tree that Ben is digging up, it is a native to Louisiana, Mississippi, all of the southern states. But she gets really tall. She don't serve a purpose. She don't make pretty flowers. She don't grow any food. She gotta go. She gotta go. And, at first, I just let it stay. And now, Ben have to go almost to the bottom of the earth to get her. Because she is really, really deep in there. Wow. Let's see. Yeah, she's really deep in there. And she was in one of my Katrina bricks that I had broken and just put, one square in places. And yeah. But anyway, he gonna get it. All right, family, it is, I guess, after 3 o'clock. And Ben and I have been in this garden since about 9 this morning. So Jody just brought us some lunch. Thank God for daughters. Thank God for daughters. I love my baby girl. She's always thinking of me. So blessed to have her. But I have one more task to do. But I want to share this with you all, okay? All right. So I received these seeds. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's windy out here, y'all. This is from Martha Henry. And these are Habano, I think, peppers. She sent these to me, and that's a lot of seeds. Thank you, Martha. Thank you, baby. And she also sent me these, which is Tabitha Duke's collards. Yeah, she sent those. And this is from Gardening with Rachel. That's who this is from. And it is, and I have some pepper seeds from this company, the Sister Seeds. Yeah, that's them. Thank you, Gardening with Rachel. Thank you, baby. She sent them to my post office box, and I got them. But these are my zinnias that I saved, and I'm going to put those out. So I'm going to drop just a couple of the peppers and my zinnias. Those are the things I'm going to drop here today. And then I'm going inside. I'm going to eat, and I'm just going to chill. I'm going to chill for a little while. I'm going to get a shower now. Let's get that right. Because I need it out here. But it's been, let this little fella leave. But it's been a beautiful day, absolutely. Have a nice breeze, sun is shining. Really nice, really nice. And I hope you all been having a beautiful Saturday also. I have just been sucking up all of this sun and all the things that God has given us so freely. I thank Him, right? But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful Saturday evening. Yeah. Now, many of you gardeners, I know you've been in your garden all day too. But it's an amazing day. Ben cut the grass. I had to see what that was, y'all. Ben cut the grass. He got a lot of things up. I dropped a lot of seeds. Yeah, we got a lot done. But anyway, guys, y'all have a great day, and I will see you all on Sunday Night Live. Yay! So, tomorrow night at 7 Central Time is the live, and I will be talking about gardening and so much more. Something that really I would like for you all to be aware of. Yeah, I would like for you to be aware of this conversation we're going to talk about tomorrow night. It's very important, and it's something that we all can probably have done many times over. But we're going to talk about it, okay? All right, guys. Later, y'all.